We're trying to head out to the lake today, and we just turned the corner. Oh, there's a foot. Ladies and gentlemen, say hi to Justin Coos.
Heading out to the lake, and we're not just heading to the lake, we're heading to cross the lake. There's an island out there called Strawberry Island that's a popular swimming destination. We want to go check it out, see what the swimming area is like, and see what different paths we can unlock. Is our grappling hook on?
Oh, is there a king of the river?
It kind of looks like someone tried. I swear it was more wrapped around.
Ooh, yummy.
Oh, wow.
Still stuck?
That's just so down in there.
Anything?
Doesn't seem like it.
Quest extended. Oh, yummy. Yeah, there we go. Double grab.
Tinsel tree showing its patriotic flair. That thing keeps getting more dialed up.
Who does that?
Someone awesome.
USA.
Only half of our solar panels are properly working.
6 of our panels are only getting that, while 4 are getting that.
Well, some of our panels have loose connections, so we're hoping I can put the connection back into place. Real high-tech stuff.
Nothing.
Nothing. Not doing it. With only half of our panels working, trying to set a distance record today just got called into question.
This is gonna be a problem. We just made it to the lake, and the lake is pretty much empty. There's only a few boats on it compared to the weekend where it's just a madhouse, so there'd be huge waves. That would probably tip our boat over or break it, or both.
Out there is Strawberry Island, our destination. Never been out there before. There's the Clinton River where we came from. Our solar panels were hit and miss the whole way here, but we should have enough battery to be safe.
We're actually getting 560 watts now, which is kind of good. We got our track over to the island. I wish it told us time remaining. All right, turns out I'm an idiot. Right now, it says we have 1 hour and 10 minutes until we arrive at our destination.
Okay.
Let's see if I give it a little more gas, if this goes down. Hour and 14, hour and 7, hour and 6. Oh yeah, there's some legitimacy to it. Just got it real quick. Hang on. Oh, we'll be there in no time at this pace. We backed it down to super slow, and we can go for infinity. That's gonna take us 1.5 hours to get there. Estimated time of arrival at 3:41 p.m. Please store your tables and put your seats in an upright and locked position. Can't believe I got that sentence out. Seems like our straps holding our pontoons on are doing a decent job. I haven't, Coots is relaxing, he doesn't care. Not a care in the world. That's our destination, we're making good progress. Things are going quite well, but I don't know if we can make it. That's what we're supposed to do for YouTube videos, right? Create a bunch of unnecessary drama.
Shut up, I hate you.
Yeah. All right, do your best Steve Irwin impression. I'll narrate.
Okay.
Crikey, we have a rare piece of lake garbage.
Oh, this is a weird one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, crikey, he's a slippery little bugger. Oh, there he is. Jump. Now we gotta circle back, kill our time. Oh, is there a new piece of lake garbage? Or did it morph colors? Where did the white one go? Did we injure it? Is it bleeding now? Oh, there's a white one over there. I'll put it on the starboard. See that boat talk?
Oh, there we go.
Good grab. What is that? Where's that white one? There it is over there. Crikey! This one I'll put on the port side. Oh God, I'm nowhere even close. You got it? Yeah, there we go. If you like that, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Yeah. About 1 hour into our journey, and we are closer and closer to the island of our dreams. Our destiny is fulfilled.
You're doing great.
Our prophecy has been fulfilled. Oh, we got some stowaways, some spiders hiding out in our horn. You want to honk it and mess with them? Oh, our strap's dangling. That's why we're going so slow. The motor's actually doing a pretty good job cranking away. Wish I could say the same for the panels. Ahoy! It kind of looks like a mullet boat, doesn't it? Like the slides flaring out the back. But we're getting much closer. I just saw a big old nasty spider crawling around in this web. mess up all your webs. Make it so you can't eat it. I can't eat, you can't eat.
It's like the spider was hoarding your sandwiches. That little cut there's our final destination. We're just a couple 100 yards away, I would say. You can start to see the sandy bottom because we're getting close to the island.
0.2 nautical miles.
0.2 nautical mile.
3 minutes, 9 seconds.
Ooh-wee.
Man, this is awesome.
Oh, this little cove is excellent. Kills all the waves for us.
Peace and quiet. We made it. Looks like it was meant to be. I'm gonna throw it back, anchor.
Sure. Cannonball. How is it?
Not bad. You probably shouldn't be swimming while the helicopters run around doing stuff. I didn't even think about that. How do I get back on? Oh, there's a spider. Sorry, buddy. Not getting on there. Oh man, it's gross under here. There's cobwebs everywhere.
You want to give a tour from a different angle?
Oh yeah, I'd love to. Welcome to Money Pit Boating. I'm Mark. That's not my life partner, Coots. And here's our boat from a different angle. I still got to get out because that helicopter's flying around somewhere. You can hear it. Oh, there it is. There's our chopper just hanging out in loiter mode. I got to get out of the water now somehow. Hey, you want to film me trying to climb up because you know they'll be entertaining. That thing's too high. Oh. My bathing suit doesn't stretch out enough.
Maybe I don't want a better angle.
There we go. Oh, just like that.
You look really cool. Too close to the Costanza pose.
Oh, this hurts.
So abort?
Oh, no. I'm already sold. I gotta. Oh, there we go. Oh. And that's how you get on a boat.
Got a lot of wildlife growing on our boat.
Oh yeah, we got lots of growth on the back here.
Its hair's longer than mine. A tree started growing in our boat.
Oh, it's intertwined. Nice.
Time to clean some of it up. Yep, machete might be the right call.
Yep, don't cut the straps.
This segment is brought to you by Hooey Man. It's Hooey Man.
Little manly man housekeeping. What are you pulling off? Can you show the camera?
Not really long enough strips of it coming off. Our journey out here, we were hauling ass. That ripped a lot of it off. We decided to go to a little bit of deeper water so we can inspect our undercarriage. Mark's been trying to inspect my undercarriage for years. It's finally happening. We got a new form of locomotion.
Come on, baby. Every $5 you donate, I say, come on, baby. Come on, baby. I'm trying to get to where it's like over my shoulders.
I mean, you can always just crouch a little bit.
Come on, baby. That's uncomfortable.
Oh, okay.
I'd rather drag the boat out to where I can't get back on.
Oh, hey, buddy. Oh, shit.
This looks good.
Found the spot. So these 4x4s are what's holding our pontoons in place and our whole boat in place. Watch your step. Huh?
Oh, okay.
Ooh. And watch your head.
Did you clean under here yet?
Not in the center, no.
It doesn't really look that bad, which is surprising. I swear to God, if a tarantula jumps on me, I'm gonna kill you. I don't know why. It's not your fault. That is not cool.
I don't see any like additional stress cracks in the lumber. That's a positive thing.
Why does this thing want to format this card now? Card error. Got no footage. So I can't even
Technical woes.
Cooch just found a huge log that was trapped in our boat, so he's gonna go throw it on land so we don't hit any other boats with it. Because we're not jerks.
Oh, crikey. Crikey, what do we have here?
There's a bushman, look. Let's go explore him.
Come on, baby.
You look like Aquaman.
I'll take a Jason Momoa comparison.
Right?
Looks like it's drifting away.
Right? Dude, this shot is sweet.
Here we go again, round 2.
Come on, baby. There's gotta be sketchy ass spiders in there. Oh, he's a big old nasty one. This thing looks like it's got a mustache. Oh, there's 2 of them. There's one on there. Ah, how slippery is this thing? Oh, that feels great.
You did it.
That's how you do that. We got some ducks hanging out with us over here on Strawberry Island and a celebratory Red Bull. Ding!
Pinky's up.
Oh.
Bye-bye, Cove. We did our inspecting, cleaned off the pontoons a little bit. We don't know what's next. Cool little party place. And that was our adventure to Strawberry Island. Personally, it was my favorite, but if you want to pick your favorite, then feel free to comb this playlist of adventures and see which one you like the best. And don't forget to subscribe and tell all your friends and families, some people you barely met, random strangers on the street. Just get the word out. Thanks from me, and thanks from Mark, and I'll see you later.